In this video, we're going to talk about measuring electrical resistance. So measuring resistance is one of the ways that I can audit components, whether those things have coils or filaments like a light bulb. It gives me a way to check whether or not the proper continuity or resistance value exists, because we know that that's going to interact with the volt drop and the current flow that go through that load or that circuit. And so it's a common procedure for us to check components with resistance because it's an easy static test that we can do with an unplugged or inoperative component. Today what we're going to look at is just a little experiment that hopefully helps us understand what the meter is doing in order to get that measurement and understand that it's really using Ohm's law to get there. So what we're looking at here is we've got the 100 ohm resistor on my board. My meter is connected directly to that and it's showing us about 98 ohms worth of resistance. Below that then I've got my scope set up on both sides of the resistor and then an amp clamp looking at how many amps are coming out of my meter. And so here on the screen we see that there's about 20 millivolts being applied to that resistor currently, and I've got almost 70 milliamps going through that as well. And so this helps us understand that that meter has to give out some electrical power and current in order to measure the resistance of whatever I place between these two leads. The application of current is the primary reason that this circuit, anytime I measure resistance, power and current have to be off. I can't measure resistance when there's current flowing within a circuit because it competes with what the meter's trying to achieve, putting out its own current source.